guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this Aerogarden. This is the Harvest Elite Slim model. So this one comes this machine. It comes also with this gourmet herbs seed pot kit. There are 6 in there, and it's also come with this one, the heirloom cherry tomato, and there are also 6 in here. It also comes with free shears, like this one here. I forgot where did I put it. So I already started it, guys, 3 days ago. As you can see, I'm sorry, it's really hard. So this is what it looks like. So here, so days planted is 3 days, and the time now is 12:39 p.m. and the plant food timer is now, so in 11 days from now I'm gonna put a plant food in there. So I planted this cherry tomato here, there is a Thai basil, and this is parsley in here. So this kit in here comes with this plant food. So it's plant food in here. So there's instruction in here, so just follow this one. And then there is this pod. So, and this black one here is the spacer. So I put this one in here because I am assuming that the cherry tomato is gonna get a little bit bushier. So we will see, guys. I'm going to show you as well when this one starts germinating. Okay, hello guys, just an update. It has been 27 days since I planted this Aerogarden, or I set it up. So as you can see, it's growing really well. Unfortunately, this one in here, I think it was after 17 days. The original one did not grow, so I bought this heirloom cherry tomato, and so far it's doing well. There are actually 3 in here, so as soon as it reaches up to like 2 inches or maybe 3, I will pick one, which one I'm going to retain, and the rest I'm going to cut it. Just like this one, there are actually 2 in here, but this one is the one that's the most healthy, so I cut the other one. And this one is the Thai basil. As you can see, it's really doing well. This one in here, the leaves, I think this is kind of burned because this the light is too close, so I raised it up. So this one, as you can see, it needs food. There's only 1 day remaining, and I have to give it food. And then the next time when this one ready to be fed, I will clean the tank, and hopefully, guys, this one will grow. The cherry tomato will have a better fruit, grow so well. And this one is the curly parsley. Okay, guys, I will give you an update again in maybe a few days, or maybe when the cherry tomato started flowering, or maybe the time when it has fruit. Okay, guys, take care and have a nice day. Bye.